If you are looking for a high-quality 3D printing service, check out Boshi's custom 3D prints. We offer a large range of customization from up to 4-color multicolor prints to fine and large nozzles to get that extra detail or durability that you want in your prints. We offer it all. Our printer can produce so fine of a detail that we were able to make business cards with working QR codes that are 100% 3D printed. So if you are wanting to learn more and use our service, check my link in our bio or in the description of this video.